Genesis is finally gracing Europe with its second-generation G90, the pinnacle of luxury sedans. This 2024 Genesis G90 elegant masterpiece initially wowed in South Korea in late 2021 and made its stateside debut in early 2022. Now, in a dazzling turn of events, the opulent G90 takes center stage at the prestigious 2023 Goodwood Festival of Speed, marking its European premiere. While the full scoop on this automotive marvel is on the horizon, a tantalizing taste has already reached Germany and Switzerland. Intriguingly, Genesis is rolling out the red carpet for European aficionados by offering the 2024 Genesis G90 in two wheelbase variations. Picture this: the shorter version beckons with either 4 or 5 seats, while the elongated beauty exclusively boasts a 4-seater layout. Envision sinking into individually heated and ventilated rear seats, complete with a massage function and even leg and footrests. The longer variant generously grants an additional 190 millimeters, that's nearly 7.5 inches, of legroom to those fortunate enough to recline in the back. Genesis has invested substantially to ensure the 2024 Genesis G90 resonates harmoniously with European tastes. The G70 shooting brake, an exclusive European treat, testifies to this commitment. The cars gracing European roads are poised to be lavishly equipped, an embodiment of opulence. Brace yourself for an array of luxurious amenities that rival even the Maybach S-Class. The puzzle wouldn't be complete without a glimpse under the hood. While details on the European power lineup are forthcoming, recall that the US spec model embraces a 3.5-liter turbocharged V6, available with an electric supercharger.